to who you are and what you teach in this course.
Okay. Hi there. My name's Abrar Hamid. I'm a lecturer on the HNDComputing course. So this module is the multimedia and internet module, and I also do the HCI, human-computer interaction module as well.
Right. Okay, on to the multimedia internet module. What do you enjoy most about teaching it?
Okay, the multimedia is quite an interesting subject. We start off with creating web pages using HTML. We bring in various multimedia components such as videos and sound. We then actually also use another package called Flash to do animation, and we also use various equipment like camcorders and digital cameras to capture content, and then we can use that in animation, or we can use that in Macromedia Director.
Okay, so doing this subject, multimedia internet,
yeah.
What does that lead on to? Like, let's say later on in life, I mean, what would you get out of that?
Yeah, I mean, obviously you get a broad exposure to different kinds of software, but one of the big things being used on the internet is animation, Flash. Okay, there's a lot of interaction. There's a lot of games that are done using animation, so it can have a lot of useful uses once you have finished the course. Okay, a lot of multimedia and especially website development, utilizes like graphical techniques, multimedia techniques such as animation, sound, video.
Well, thanks for your time, Edward.
No worries, yeah. Glad to see that you're enjoying the course. Great.
About straight to the point, live.
Have a look at the hard disk. This is a 3.5-inch IDE hard disk that you use in PCs, and it's got an IDE connector and a power supply. What we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the inside of the hard disk. As you know, the hard disk spins at 7,200 revolutions per minute, and we'll have a look at that. So what we're going to do, that's the inside of a hard disk. Can you see the heads here? It's got two heads, and you can see the read-write rotary arm there. So let's plug that in. So Nana, do you want to plug in the power supply correctly? That's great. Okay, and then you can see here that the hard disk is actually spinning. Okay, you've got aluminium coated hard disks, and so really we're looking at the internal workings of a IDE hard disk there. That's great. Thanks for your assistance there, Nana. That's great. So if you just switch it off, and then that's great.
Practice.